Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today we are looking at how to run Android emulator in VS Code. Remember I did this video a few years back and there's been steady upgrade, so I deem it fit, of course this is 2026, to repeat this so that again there are certain questions coming up through the previous video I did. So let's get it updated so that you understand better what is working. Before we get started, this is the question most people are asking, and if you get it wrong this time, the other part may look tricky. First, to be honest, you don't need Android Studio, right, to run this. But what you need is the Android SDK and at least one visual device running on your device. So what does this mean? Like, how do you check if you have this? Just a little prerequisite which doesn't hurt your device or anything. Okay, if you have ever used an emulator before, maybe via in your Android device or in your React Native project or Flutter, you likely have the emulator we are talking about already set up on your device. So to do that quickly, what I'll need to do to check, you gonna do emulator -list-avs. So if I hit enter, it's going to give me that. Of course, that is, so this video, this running this shows I have that. So if you don't have pixels in your system, what you need to do, just follow me step by step as we walk through what I'm about to show you. So how do we do this? The first thing you need to do, go to the extension tab. Okay, so click on extension, and what you are looking for is search for Android iOS emulator by Damas Mitchell. All right, that is what you are looking for. Click on it, install. I've already done that, so that's why I show you this. Ensure you install it, and you could turn on this update. It's not compulsory, but ensure you get that installed. So after you do that, what you need to do again, you close this off. All right, then go back to set up the settings for the emulator. So go to settings here below, or you can tap on Control and comma, but click on settings here, click settings. All right, search for emulator. Awesome. So once you do that, all right, it's going to open up like this. So what you are looking for, emulator part here. Exactly, this is what you are looking for, as well as emulator part for Windows. If you are using Mac and Linux, you could check for that. All right, I'm using Windows, so you're going to have this. Okay, this is the part for both sides. If you don't have this, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can get to find it. All right, this is it. I'm going to show you how you can check, you can get these values right in your system. So let's get the values so that we can continue. So click on Windows and the arrow key. All right, so it's going to bring this up. Type our percentage app data percentage, exactly as you can see here. So type it, click on OK. So what it's going to do is going to open up. So you are here, click on app data. So select local, click on local. So you are looking for Android, click on Android. Oh, click on SDK. Awesome. So once you get here, click on emulator here. Okay, so that's the code, that's the part. You make sure you copy that part. So once you're done, you can close this off, and so that is what we pasted here. Okay, emulator part Windows as well as emulator part. So that is what we pasted there. So once you're done, you can close this off. Okay guys, once that step is done, you've pasted that there. What you need to do, there's supposed to be an emulator icon that's supposed to show here, but if it doesn't show, there's no issues. Go to your keyboard, press the Ctrl Shift and the P. All right, so here you see emulator, click on it. and okay, so it's going to show up the emulator you have, so you can run on anyone. All right, so pick one, you click on it to open it up. So it's going to, you see, it's going to open up our emulator right about now. So here we are. So let's do some troubleshooting stuff with issues. Let's fix some of the issue people come across. First, if you try to get your emulator Ctrl Shift P, trying to click the emulator, if it doesn't show up, go back and fix your part in settings emulator. Maybe that is the issue. Okay, and if your emulator open up and is instantly disappear, I experienced that. I have a dedicated video as well that fixed that. It's displaying. Click on it. I also link it in the comment in the description of this video. All right, so that's the whole thing. And check your devices. Install one extension, set the emulator part once, and that's all. And if you are building with React Native or Expo and you are hitting something went wrong, I have a video that will fix that.